In this video, I will share a strategy that will keep that woman constantly thinking about you. This strategy involves two mental triggers that are effective when combined, causing a significant impact. I call them the triggers of appetite and scarcity. And I'll share a story to illustrate how it works. I'm simply passionate about Fajota and recently discovered a place on the iFood app that offered an incredible Fajota. I was intrigued by the excellent reviews and decided to give it a try. When the Fajota arrived, I was impressed by the presentation. Everything was carefully separated into small pots, even the farofa. The first spoonful was a burst of flavors. It was simply delicious, mouth-watering just to remember. I finished my Fajota, but it stayed on my mind for days. About 2 days later, I felt like eating again and went to the app, but to my disappointment, I found out that the restaurant only opened 2 days a week. I was a little anxious to realize that I couldn't have it that day. So, I decided to set an alarm on my phone to remind me to order the Fajota on the days when the restaurant was open, always at lunchtime. The connection between the Fajota story and making a woman think about you incessantly lies in the two psychological effects that occurred. First, the Fajota was unique, extremely appetizing, and delicious, which made me interested in wanting more. However, I found out that it was scarce, only available on certain days of the week. It wasn't available whenever I wanted. This combination of appetite and scarcity is powerful and can be applied to leave a woman interested in you crazy about you. In practice, this translates into having an engaging conversation with her, whether by messages or in person, for 1 or 2 hours, where you connect and the conversation flows naturally, creating an appetite for more interaction. However, at some point, you disconnect, creating scarcity, and that will make her eager for more. At that moment when you are experiencing an intense and wonderful moment with her, you need to block that moment of your life to make room for other moments, like studying, going back to work, or simply sleeping. Disconnecting from social media at that moment to meditate is crucial. Your life is full, and that's why you can't be available all the time. This is where you create appetite, desire, and scarcity. However, scarcity alone doesn't work when there's no initial desire. The scarcity trigger is only effective when the object is highly desirable. For example, if there has always been Jilo in your house, and your mother and father like it, but you don't, and one day the Jilo runs out, it won't affect you because you don't desire the Jilo. So, for scarcity to work, you first need to create desire, then comes scarcity. For example, if you're with that special person and share an incredible night of sex, followed by moments of affection and intensity, and then you disappear for a period of time, it creates scarcity. This disappearance, which can be for a few hours or even a day, after something so appetizing, can make her unable to stop thinking about you. So, you take her to a different place, like a park or a themed restaurant, to experience an intense experience. During that encounter, you connect with her, look into her eyes, listen to what she says, and allow her to finish speaking before you speak. You establish rapport and connection in the conversation, discuss deeper subjects, and understand each other. This alternation between appetizing and intense moments, followed by withdrawal, provokes emotions in the woman, leaving her moved. It's not just about trying to ignore her or give her the cold shoulder, but about generating strong emotions before the withdrawal. Your absence needs to have an impact. It's essential that you have previously experienced this set of feelings. You need to have felt the initial desire for your absence to be effective. If you enjoyed this video, discover the powerful technique that will keep that person thinking about you constantly. Watch our video and learn the secrets of appetite and scarcity to create an unforgettable connection. Don't waste time, subscribe now to not miss any valuable tips. Join us and transform your interactions forever. If you liked the content, don't forget to leave your like and share with your friends. We are excited to share these secrets with you. Subscribe now and start conquering today. Warm regards and goodbye.